Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to fix your fingerprint is not working in Windows 10, or how to fix your fingerprint pad is not working, or your fingerprint is not reading problem in your Windows 10. So let's begin our video. So how can you fix it? So firstly, if your fingerprint is not reading your finger, just clean your finger and clean your fingerprint or finger pad, then try to read fingerprint. You need to check your fingerprint is working or not. Then it's not working, you just need to follow some tips. So I just go on here, start button, and right click on your mouse, and then you just need to go on device manager here. So click on it, and now you can see there have an option biometric devices. So you just need to select on it, and just there have an option touch fingerprint sensor. So select on it, and now right click on your mouse again, and now you just need to update this device. So after complete update device, then you just need to restart your PC or laptop, and then I hope your fingerprint is working perfectly. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.